Hello, this is Jon Modene with RE/MAX Masters, and I want to help you learn more about life and real estate in Northwest Ohio. And today's topic for my NWO Real Estate Update is, where have you been for 6 or 7 weeks? If you're a follower, a subscriber to my video blog, you're maybe wondering. Another great question. But obviously, I've been out and gone, but I have not been on vacation. Number 2, I was here in Northwest Ohio and in Cleveland Clinic getting my right knee totally replaced. And boy, it needed it. And I'm back. I'm just thankful for my team who covered for me, my dear wife who cared for me, my doctor, Robert Malloy at the Cleveland Clinic, who him and a robot cut my knee off and put a new one in, and my PT crew here in Perrysburg. Total knee replacement is a team effort, and it is not easy. So just in case you or someone that you love is facing a total knee replacement operation, I will give you an immediately fresh and recent point of view on what works and what does not work. Again, not real estate related, but if you're going to enjoy your real estate, you need to be able to climb stairs and your knees need to work. So here's my tips for you if you're looking at TKR. A, get everything ready at home. Recliner, walker, cane, ice machine. Get it all ready at home. Once you have the surgery, it's too late to get that stuff. Trust me. B, get your caregiver totally lined up. That might be a spouse. It might be a kid. It might be, hopefully you don't have to go to a nursing home. That's how they used to do this. But now they want you at home with a caregiver helping you. C, get ahead of the pain daily. I was told this in class. I read about it. I saw videos. Get ahead of the pain. I don't know what that means. I do now. God has given us something called opioids, and they're adjutants just for total knee replacement surgery, and they work. D, get in PT. Your doctor will make you do it, but a lot of people quit, and actually 5 to 10% of people that get total knee replacement never get their mobility back. So it's incumbent on you as the patient to manage your own PT. You'll start it in the hospital in the first day you have your surgery. You'll be up and walking. You'll get in-home PT probably, and you'll be visiting PT if you can't get in-home. It's up to you to do it, and it is very, very important. Call me if you want a referral for some excellent PT people. I've got some here in Northwest Ohio that are the best, and I did some checking. Next, do not do any real estate deals while recovering. You're going to be on some mind-bending drugs. You're not going to be able to concentrate and remember deals. Trust me, no real estate deals for a couple weeks. It's too dangerous. Number F, do not be discouraged. Everybody recovers at their own pace. It might be 2 weeks, 4 weeks, 6 weeks, 8 weeks, 12 weeks. It's up to you and your effort and how much you work and pray at it. Number G here, be sure to have the very best real estate team in Northwest Ohio backing you up. And fortunately, I did. Hannah, Aaron, Jessica, Rachel, Tyler, Angie, Don, Shayna, they all filled in. They all covered everything for me. Someone on my team was so motivated, Geraldine, she said, I'm getting my knee replaced. That's happening on Monday next week. So she's in temporary holding while she does that. So here's some pro tips to close it up here. Get a TENS unit. You can get it on Amazon for about $30-$40. Trust me on that for pain management. Get a massage gun, one of those big massage guns, $100. Get some serious ice gel pads. The ice pump things work, but not as good as good ice gel pads. They're amazing. And then get ready to suffer and work. It is not time off. I am so blessed to have had everyone mentioned and more helping and praying for me. It is good to be back, and it's good to be in this constantly changing real estate market. So I hope this helps you, or if someone you know or love is going to get a total knee replacement. Our team motto is simple: a tradition of trust in Northwest Ohio real estate. And this ethos, this tradition of trust mantra works. It's based on proven biblical concepts. Always tell the truth. Treat others better than you would want to be treated. And I was really the beneficiary of that while I was recovering from my my surgery. I can't wait, and my team, we can't wait to help more people buy, sell, manage, hold, and grow their real estate properties. Thanks for watching. If you need help, if you have a real estate question, if you're going through total knee replacement, feel free to call me. I'm at 419-466-SOLD, or just call John. Email me, john@modene.com. Check us out at modene.com. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.